Hello, this is Steve from Beato's Leatherworks. Today's project is, well, not really a project, but we're taking a little field trip. Field trip from Virginia to all the way to Toronto, Canada. So I'm on my way to visit some family, and while I'm there, I'm going to be delivering a pair of shoes to a friend slash customer named Mario. So I figured that, since I'm headed that way, we're gonna go to one of my friend's shop, meet up over there, and present him with his shoes. Very excited, by the way, just to get away from the shop for a couple of days and to go see family and to go visit some friends. Now, I have never met Mario before, but of course I have some shoe repair friends up there which I'm going to go visit. Seen them before, hung out with them. They're good people, and I'll introduce to you guys once we get there. So I'm on my way to the airport now. Sorry, there's not going to be any repairs, no hammer time, no The Voice. Well, maybe The Voice. We'll squeeze that in maybe once or twice. So now we are in Northern Virginia, Arlington to be precise. Arlington is literally right on the border of where the river, Potomac River, divides Washington, D.C. and Virginia. So my shop is approximately 8 miles from the border, and it's pretty close to Washington, D.C. So the airport we're going in to right now is Reagan National Airport, which is in Virginia, in Arlington, but people think it's in Washington, D.C. See if I can show you guys a little bit of the area here. We're going to pass by the Pentagon also, which will be on the right. Before the Pentagon, I want to show you guys National Cemetery. Incredible place. You guys never been here before? It's a sight to be seen. It's unbelievable. It's coming up right here on the right hand side. It gives you goosebumps just by visiting the place. It's incredible. Changing of the guard. If you guys have never seen that, the Tomb of Unknown Soldiers. They change the guard every 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. It's very sad. It's so beautiful. It's incredible. Nice fall day. And the Pentagon's going to come to your right here. Now, before 9/11 happened, this road that I'm on right here used to go straight, right next to the Pentagon. Now, for security reasons, they've put a bend on it to the curve. That's the Pentagon right there. So the road kind of curves around the building for security reasons. And ever since 9/11, they just kind of changed the roads a little bit. It's a big building. All right. Now we're going to take one of the bridges, cross into Washington. Well, not really cross into Washington, right before Washington. But this is one of the bridges that leads you into the Washington, D.C. There's Pentagon City. Beautiful buildings are being built everywhere. And that is the monument right there across the street. Got to be careful because I got to drive and hold the phone at the same time. You guys see it? Nice, huh? Capitol's right over there. Right. Oh, the bridge just came underneath it. I'll see if I can get a closer view. There's the monument again. traveling with my cousin today. His name is Mardik. Chayo.
Cheers.
He's my cousin who owns Kensington Jewelers, and he's the one who says, "Who cares?" I've told you guys that before. All right, let's continue. Chayo. What's up, Chayo? So we're at the airport now.
Unattended baggage is subject to search, inspection, damage, and removal. Do not accept items or packages from unknown individuals. Unattended vehicles may be ticketed and towed.
Chayo, what are you doing, Chayo?
I'm ordering.
What are you ordering?
I don't know, pizza. Choose pizza from the menu.
Pizza? What'd you get on the toppings?
Prosciutto and mozzarella.
Oh my God.
They're good pizza.
So we're gonna have a drink and we're gonna eat a pizza while we wait for the airport. Airport. Right, Chayo? Oh, Chayo means brother. That's why we call each other Chayo. So it means brother. Right, Chayo?
Yes, it is. It is. Chayo means brother, yes.
Say you're saying, who cares?
Who cares?
There you go.
I always say that. That's
You
my
always say
phrase.
that. That's his phrase, so I stole it from him.
It means we don't care for anything.
Who cares?
Who cares?
All right, let's continue. All right, today is the day. I am on my way to Pablo's shop to meet the guys and hang out there for a little bit, deliver a couple pair of shoes. Pablo's shop is about 25 minutes from where I am. So a nice drive on a Sunday morning, not too much traffic. All right, as soon as we get close, I'll show you guys where I'm going. Let's continue. Well, it looks like I was a little turnaround. I went east instead of going west and found out that there are same streets in different towns. So now I'm back on the right track. We're almost there, and it's starting to snow a little bit. Well, this isn't really snow. I guess it's little flurries. All right, let's continue. All right, we made it. Check that out. That's a cool looking church. All right. We are in Guadalupe. I don't freaking know how to pronounce the name. Look at that. We are here. I bet your door's locked. Where are these people? What's up?
Well, brother.
This is Brother Corey. What's up, Brother Corey?
How you doing, man?
What's going on?
Been a long time, pal.
What's up? What's up? I parked in the back. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's good.
Go, sir.
Tell me about Oshawa.
So how was the Schwab?
Stop! Don't mess with me. All right? I'm recording, so I can't start cursing you guys out. This is Mr. Mario. What's up, Mr. Mario?
Not much, buddy.
Where's the
Not
other
much.
schmuck? Hey, what's up, buddy? All right, I'm going to continue this. All right, so we are here at DMAR Shoe Repair at Guelph, Ontario, with the shop owner, Pablo. Mr. Pablo,
What's up?
introduce yourself, please, and your channel and all that good stuff.
Yeah, so I'm the owner and second generation cobbler at DMAR Shoe Repair in Guelph, Ontario, Canada. This is my shop, and Steve's given us a little bit of a visit. My Instagram and Facebook is DMAR Shoe Repair, and my YouTube channel, which is new but growing slowly but surely, is DMAR Shoe Repair on YouTube.
That's a cool channel. You guys go check them out. Show them some love.
Yeah.
So this is your shop here.
Yep.
Nice. Very tidy and organized.
Thank you.
Nice soles here he's got. Choose the best. Awesome. Vibram. Very nice. How long have you been here?
We've been in business since '87, so we're just celebrated our 35th anniversary.
Nice. The same location or?
We started one door over,
Okay.
and then my dad bought this building about 28 years ago.
Nice.
So we've been here for 28 years.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks, brother.
All right, let's continue. All right, so we've got Brother Corey here. Brother Corey, tell us about yourself and where you're from.
Hi, I'm Corey Hiltz. I'm the owner of Fix 'em Up Shoe Repair in Barrie, Ontario, 565 Yonge Street.
Awesome. And you have a Facebook or Instagram?
We do indeed. It's Fix 'em Up Shoe Repair on Facebook and on Instagram. Not quite yet on YouTube, but maybe soon.
All right. Well, it's a good start. So let's go to Facebook and Instagram. Show Corey some love. All right, brother. Good to see you.
Thanks, Steve.
All right, so we are here in Pablo's shop for the unveiling of Mr. Mario's shoes. So I'm going to let him do the. Let's get rid of that. Corey, can you move that out of the way?
I've been patiently waiting, and now is the.
He's been waiting when the grass was a little low and there wasn't snow and it was nice weather. Now the weather's
I'm sure it was well worth the wait. Here we go.
All right, here we go. Oh, that's not for you.
If there was money in it, I expect it to be.
There's no money in there.
Okay. Well, what do we have here? Unbelievable.
Little extras that came with the project. Now,
That is
now this
superb.
This is just a gift. This was not a charge to the bill. So
That is incredible. That
Yes, you
is
are.
fantastic. Thank you so much, Steve.
You're
That is
welcome.
beautiful.
my pleasure.
And now,
Did you notice the bag?
yes, I do.
Not the bag.
Look at that. I even got the Florsheim bags. Thank you so much,
You're
sir.
welcome. Of course.
Sir. Wow.
Oh, man. What a transformation, man. Look at that. Oh, my God. This guy's outdone himself again. No wonder. This is incredible. Look at this.
Why don't you share your?
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. With my name on it and my Instagram tag,
I couldn't fit.
the Boot Reaper.
I couldn't fit your last name in there, so I just put Mario G.
I don't blame you, buddy. I am the Boot Reaper.
Yeah, Instagram page is Boot Reaper.
Yep,
Boot
Boot
Reaper.
Reaper. Yep.
I'll share whatchamacallit in the
Yeah,
video.
please follow me on Instagram because I got a really nice collection. But that is incredible. Wow, I didn't expect that at all. Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome, brother.
That's insane. Look at this. What a transformation. When I gave him these shoes, they were nothing like this. Absolutely nothing like this.
Unfortunately, we don't have the video of the restoration of the shoes, but
Wow, look at that. Brand new
plenty of
footbed.
new footbed stitched on.
Oh my God.
Just got to break them in now. That's all.
Oh, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Look at that. JR. Beautiful red stitching at the bottom. All the brass nails.
The V-cleat shape.
Dovetail, V-cleat shape here.
Homage to the original design.
Yes. Fantastic. And I love this. Florsheim.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Incredible, man. These look like brand new shoes.
Yeah, they're good quality shoes.
Yeah.
Enjoy them.
And I love the color of the
Yep.
welt here. The stitching. Insane, man. I'm gonna wear these, I think, next week.
How's the welt joint?
Where? I don't even see a joint. It's pretty bang on to me. A lot better than I ever did, that's for sure. Insane, Steve. That's insane.
You're welcome, brother.
Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure. All right. Thank you very much for joining me, guys.
Yeah. Thanks,
And,
Steve. I
we'll
appreciate
continue
everything.
this video a little later, and I think we're gonna go have to grab a bite to eat now, huh? Time
Yeah.
to celebrate.
Yeah, man. I'm
All
gonna
right.
bring these and put them on the table.
Let's continue. All right, it's been a long day, so I'm glad you guys joined me. I appreciate it. This wasn't one of the regular videos that I normally do, but it's okay. Sometimes you got to change it up, you know? So I don't want to hear no complaining. Hey, man, I didn't like this video because there's no hammer time. All right, next time you guys will get plenty of hammer time. All right, thank you for joining me. Again, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thumbs up, comment, all that would be appreciated. All right, we'll see you guys again on the next video. Take care.